Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use 3 different shades of bronzer for a really pretty unified look. So the first thing I'm going to do is pick a bronzer. Now I'm going to use this one here by Victoria Beckham. It's got 2 shades. So I'm going to take the lightest shade first and just get some product onto this lighter shade. And this is going to get swept over the entirety of my face. So I've already got some foundation on and this is going all over. Now this is about a shade lighter, darker than my actual foundation tone. And this is the beauty of it. By using multiple shades, you get a more realistic outcome. So next we're going to move on to the deeper shade in the palette. So I'm just picking up some product on that. And we're going to do a very, very light sweep in kind of a circular motion all over the face to begin with, but it's really delicate. Then we're going to build up the product, and now I'm going to start to work more on the outside perimeter and working it down. And the same thing on the other side, working on the outside perimeter, leaving this center space and working down. I'm just going to gently take a little bit of product and knock it across the nose. Now with a clean brush, so I'm going to use this really big one from the White Gold collection. I'm now just going to sweep across the face to get a really pretty natural blend, just in case, even though the colors are pretty similar. I just want to make sure. Next we're going to move into the final shade, which is the deepest one. Now I'm actually going to use this one here. And we're going to use that across the forehead and the higher points of the face, and also down the sides of the neck. So I'm going to use a fan brush for this, and I'm going to pick up the color onto a fan brush to begin, and then knock off any excess product. Now I want to start to hit the highest point here, which is right up here by the hairline, which I'm hoping you can see. I'm then going to hit the bridge of the nose and down the sides of the nose. Don't worry about blending just yet. Picking up a little bit more product, I'm now just going to start to concentrate more on the cheekbone area, right here. There we are. And then I'm just going to go down the neck with the remaining product. And this will just tie it all in together. So now we're going to go back and we're going to pick up our original brush that we used, and now I'm going to lightly start to buff this into the skin with that same brush that had the 2 lighter shades on. And again, moving over that section where we did the slight contour, just to blend it in, moving over the nose, and finally moving everything down the neck. By using multiple colors, you do end up with a really pretty look that isn't flat, because sometimes bronzers can make the skin look, hair today, honestly, look at that, can look quite flat, and we don't really want that. We want the skin to look dimensional and have life to it. Now I like to overblend everything. If you think you've overblended and the entire look has just been washed out, you can go back in just to create some of those curves or lines, and then we'll just blend away again. Now no look, even a bronzer look, is complete without a hint of actual color to the skin. Remember that truly bronze skin has a red undertone to it, so we're going to take a little bit of a cream or a liquid blusher, but just a very small amount on the back of my hand, dipping it straight into a brush to pick up the color. And now I'm just going to hit the high points of the cheekbone. I hit the high point because that's where the sun would really catch you in a kind of realistic way. And I hit the high point where we went over that bronzer, the deeper shade, right into the hairline to blend it in. And now all I need to do is sort my hair out, put some glasses on, and that completes the look. I don't need to powder this because I've used a lot of powder anyway. You can do the same thing with a liquid bronzer or a cream bronzer as well, and the effect will be the same. Some things, you know, I like makeup that's quick and simple, and doing multiple steps isn't my cup of tea on a normal everyday basis. It really isn't. Less is more. But it is makeup, you should have fun, do whatever you want. But this just gives you that more realistic appearance. And in photographs, just like a video I did on the blusher, you'll get a really pretty effect on the skin, which looks great in photos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all soon. Bye-bye.